When it comes to food, Singapore is all about flavor, bold, rich, and unforgettable. In this class, I'm bringing those hawker-style favorites straight into your kitchens. You learn how to make 3 recipes that I'm showing you. First one is the quintessential favorite Singapore-style laksa. So fragrant, so coconut, you'll make everything from scratch. Second, we'll make a Hokkien mee, also a classic favorite in hawker stalls all over Singapore. Fresh noodles, stir-fried, just comfort in a plate. And then, to round off our tour of the hawker centers, we're gonna have a dessert called Kueh Dadar, a pandan and coconut pancake that surely will make everyone happy. Whether you're cooking for family or thinking of turning your passion into business, these recipes will give you the confidence to create authentic Singaporean flavors at home. Join me in Hawker Style Specials Part 2 only here at the Bailiwick Academy.